Hi everyone, how are you today? Good? Alright then, I'm sorry that we have to meet in this kind of way. You are watching the video, but actually I'm hoping that all of your family and you yourself in a good condition right now. So today actually regarding the art lesson, I'm going to teach you about two things, and I actually need a lot of your participation in this video to follow the instruction. And then don't forget to submit me your artwork at the last part of this session later on. The first one is I want to teach you about two things. First one is about basic animation, which is we already try it since 2 weeks ago. And then the second one, there is some several instruction, and I hope you guys will not miss the second challenge, because this one is a bit more challenging, because we're going to fulfill somebody else's instructions about how to paint something, or yeah, we just following the order from the one who giving the order to us. Alright, are you ready now? So before we start, I want you to prepare your own paper. Alright, paper, pencil, some eraser maybe, and then you can work in the 20 minutes ahead later on. Are you ready now? Okay, if you're ready, I will remind you again. The first one that you need to prepare is this one. Okay, are you ready? Alright, now since we already learned about basic anime, and some of you maybe have a different style and different way how to express it, now I want you to draw some animation, basic anime, but this time I want you to make it like a comics, like a anime comics. No need to be so long, the dialogue, just only like a simple comics, which is having a picture of the character and then the bubble words. You can make you just create your own sentence and make your comic more interesting, like this kind of things. Okay, I hope you understand now. So I need to give you some time to work with it. I give you 20 minutes since now, and then after that I hope you can submit your work, and then I will let you know later on what do we need to do. Alright, enjoy your time and draw your own anime comic and submit me your best artwork. Thank you.